making kulcha stuffing, we'll take 2 boiled potatoes, 4 tablespoons of raisin, 4 tablespoons of chopped onion, 4 tablespoons of almond slice, 2 tablespoons of green chili, 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of dry mango powder or amchur, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, salt as per the taste, and half tablespoon of red chili powder. For the kulcha dough, we'll take teaspoon of soda, 1 bowl of curd, half bowl of milk. For the stuffing, we'll take the potatoes and mash it. Then we add some chopped onion to it, green chili, ginger, almond slice, raisin, garlic, kasuri methi, dry mango powder or amchur powder, red chili powder, salt as per your taste, and mix the stuffing well. So now you can see our stuffing is ready for the kulcha. Now we'll start by preparing now we'll make the kulcha dough. We'll take a bowl and add 1 bowl of all-purpose flour. Then we'll add the dry ingredients, starting with a teaspoon of soda. Soda will help to firm the dough while resting. After adding soda, we'll add salt as per the taste. Then we'll add 1 bowl of curd and start preparing the dough. We're not going to add water to the dough, we'll add milk to the dough, so our dough will be firm and sticky. All this take only 5 to 6 minutes. So now as you can see, our kulcha dough is ready. We're going to rest the dough for at least 2 hours. Then it will be easy to make our stuffed kulchas. Dough is rest for 2 hours and you can see it is firm. So now we knead the dough for at least 5 to 7 minutes in the same procedure as I am repeating here. The dough is kneaded. We'll rest the dough for at least 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, we'll dust some all-purpose flour. Again take the dough and we'll make 7 layers in the kulcha. So the first step is roll it out. Once our kulcha dough is rolled out, then the second step is grease the dough with 1 tablespoon of regular oil. Third step is to dust all-purpose flour, and the last step is to fold it. Repeat the same 4 steps 7 times, at least for 7 times, and this is required for making kulcha. These are very simple steps. First roll out the dough, grease with oil, the regular oil, dust some all-purpose flour, fold it and repeat it. We'll make 7 layers like this. So now as you can see, our dough is ready for kulcha. We'll make balls from the kulcha dough. We'll make the same way as we make any stuffed paratha. We'll take the ball, first roll it out, Now we'll add a good amount of stuffing. We'll cover the stuffing with the dough. We'll take some oil, all-purpose flour if needed, and roll it up. So now our kulcha is ready. We'll grease this side of the kulcha with some water, and this side which is greased with water would be on the tawa which is heat. So this will stick. Now tawa is ready. We'll stick our kulcha.